Hi everyone, this is Adonis Anastasiou, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your username on Twitter. But before I do that, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks on digital marketing, sales, and how to grow your business. Well, let's start. Okay, now the first thing, of course, you have to log into your Twitter profile. Here you can see my Twitter profile, and I'm looking forward to send me, an invitation to connect. Actually, you're gonna follow me, and I'm gonna follow back my followers. As you can see, I'm following more people than my followers. So follow me, and I'm gonna follow you back. Okay, now. Many people try to find how to change their Twitter account by clicking on the edit profile. And as you can see, you cannot find your username right here. And it's kind of confusing. I don't know why Twitter is making things difficult. All social media are making things difficult. Of course, if I want to change my username, I click on the edit profile and I find it and change it. So you cannot change your username by clicking on edit profile. So what you have to do is that you have to go click here on more and then find settings and privacy, okay, which is right here. You click on settings and privacy, and then you have to go to your account information. But when you're going to do that, it's going most probably, because I have just done it, enter in my account information, most probably it's going to ask you for your password, okay? Because if you're going to change those critical information, you have to put your password, okay? So you can change your username from here. Now, I want to make sure that you don't change your username all the time. Maybe you make a mistake, maybe you want to change something, but you don't change your username often. Actually, I recommend it just change it once, only once, and only if it's required, okay? So when you change your username, you just click on save, and that's it. You just change your username. Again, don't forget to send me an invitation to follow me on Twitter, and I'm going to follow you back, and subscribe to my YouTube channel because more tips and tricks are coming up.